NotebookLM plus Perplexity plus Gemini equals the craziest free SEO workflow you've ever seen. 3 AI tools that talk to each other and pump out rank-ready content in 20 minutes. No more staring at blank screens wondering what to write. This stack does the research, builds the outline, writes the content, and even gives you TikTok scripts. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step so you can start ranking today. Let's go. All right, let's talk about something that's going to blow your mind. I found a way to create entire SEO blog posts in under 25 minutes using 3 completely free AI tools. And I'm not talking about garbage content. I'm talking about content that ranks, content that converts, content that actually drives traffic. The secret is combining Perplexity, NotebookLM, and Gemini into one crazy workflow that does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's why this matters. Most people spend hours doing keyword research, hours more writing outlines, and then even more hours writing the actual content. And by the time they're done, they're exhausted and the content is usually average at best. But with this stack, you're using AI to handle the boring stuff so you can focus on strategy and scaling. And the best part, everything I'm about to show you is completely free. No subscriptions, no paywalls, just 3 tools that work together like magic. Let me break down what each tool does. Perplexity is your research engine. It searches the web in real time and gives you everything you need to know about a keyword. Top ranking pages, search intent, keyword clusters, content gaps, all of it. NotebookLM is your organization system. You feed it the research from Perplexity and it turns it into a structured notebook with angles, outlines, and insights that nobody else is talking about. And Gemini is your content generator. You give it the notebook and it writes the full blog post, creates viral titles, writes meta descriptions, even gives you TikTok scripts and YouTube outlines. It's like having a research team, a strategist, and a writer all working together for free. Now here's where it gets really insane. You can loop the content back through NotebookLM to polish it even more. So you're not just generating content, you're refining it until it's better than anything your competitors are putting out. I've been testing this for weeks and the results are ridiculous. Content that used to take me half a day now takes 20 minutes and it ranks faster because it's built on actual data, not guesswork. Let me show you the exact workflow step by step. First, you go to Perplexity, type in this exact prompt. Give me a full SEO breakdown for AI automation tools for business growth. Include top ranking pages, search intent, keyword clusters, people also ask, content gaps, trending terms, competitor summaries, and 5 long-tail keywords. Provide sources, hit enter and watch it work. In about 30 seconds, Perplexity spits out a massive report. You'll see what pages are ranking, what keywords they're using, what questions people are asking, and most importantly, what gaps exist in the content. These gaps are gold because that's where you can swoop in and rank. Now copy that entire output from Perplexity, go to NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Upload the Perplexity output as a source, then use this prompt. Turn this into a structured SEO research notebook. Include a topic summary, angle suggestions, 3 content clusters and SEO outline, common mistakes, expert insights, FAQ list, statistics, and 1 golden nugget insight no one else talks about. NotebookLM goes to work and builds you a full research notebook. It's not just organizing the data, it's finding patterns and angles that you wouldn't think of on your own. You'll get content clusters like how AI automation saves time for the AI profit boardroom community, or top AI tools for scaling your agency like Goldie Agency. These angles are specific, they're actionable, and they're designed to rank. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now you've got your notebook from NotebookLM. Copy the whole thing and head over to Gemini. So make sure you're using Gemini Pro or Advanced for the best results. Paste the notebook and use this prompt. Based on the notebook above, create a complete SEO blog post about how AI automation transforms business growth for communities like the AI Profit Boardroom. Include 5 viral titles, a meta description, subheadings with search intent, internal linking suggestions, a short 30-second TikTok script, and a long YouTube video outline. Make it human, relatable, and angle-driven. Then let Gemini cook. In about 2 minutes, you've got a full blog post. Not just any blog post, but one that's structured for SEO, written for humans, and ready to publish. Plus, you get bonus assets like TikTok scripts and YouTube outlines. That means you can repurpose the same research across multiple platforms without doing extra work. But we're not done yet. Here's the secret sauce that takes this from good to insane. Take the blog post that Gemini just wrote and paste it back into NotebookLM. Use this prompt. Analyze this blog and give me a punchier rewrite. List of missing keywords, 3 new angles, a more emotional intro, and 1 ultra unique insight. NotebookLM tears apart your content and rebuilds it better. It finds weak spots, adds missing keywords, and gives you angles that make your content stand out. This round trip between Gemini and NotebookLM is what separates average content from content that dominates search results. Let me give you a real example. Say you're writing about AI SEO tools. You run the workflow, and NotebookLM tells you to add an angle about how AI Profit Boardroom members use SEO tools to automate client outreach. That specific is valuable, and it's something your competitors aren't covering. You add that section, polish the intro to make it more emotional, and boom. You've got a piece of content that's not just optimized for Google, it's optimized for humans who actually want to read it. Now let's talk results. Before this workflow, you'd write generic content that blends in with everyone else. After this workflow, you've got content with topical authority, unique angles, and multi-platform assets. You're not just ranking faster, you're building a content engine that scales. Want to write 10 blog posts a week? Easy. Want to create daily TikToks and YouTube videos? Done. This stack handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on strategy and growth. And if you're running an agency or building a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, this workflow becomes your secret weapon. You can produce more content, rank faster, and attract more members without burning out. Here's another thing. This workflow isn't just for blog posts. You can use it for landing pages, email sequences, social media content, anything. Let's say you want to design a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that converts. You'd run the same workflow, but instead of asking for a blog post, you'd ask Gemini to create landing page copy that shows the amazing value of AI automation and explains all the benefits of your community. You'd get headlines, subheadings, CTAs, everything you need to get more customers and leads. And because it's built on real research from Perplexity, it's not just creative, it's strategic. The beauty of this stack is that it's modular. You can use all 3 tools together like I just showed you, or you can use them individually depending on what you need. Need quick research? Just use Perplexity. Need to organize a bunch of sources? Use NotebookLM. Need to generate content fast? Use Gemini. But when you combine them, that's when the magic happens. They feed into each other and amplify the results. You're not just using AI, you're building an AI system that works for you. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, but I've been using this exact workflow for weeks, and the results speak for themselves. Content that ranks, traffic that converts, and a process that's so fast it feels like cheating. And the best part, you can start using it right now. Perplexity is at perplexity.ai. NotebookLM is at notebooklm.google.com. Gemini is at gemini.google.com. All free, all powerful, all ready to go. If you want to rank number 1, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description. Join the SEO Elite Circle today. All right, that's the workflow. 3 tools, 20 minutes, rank-ready content. Go test it out and let me know how it works for you. Drop a comment below with your results. And if you want to see more AI workflows like this, hit subscribe and I'll keep bringing you the best stuff. Let's go.